Hi there, my name is David. I'm working at Microsoft Corp, so living in Paris, but working for the American people. And I'm a senior program manager, so I'm in charge of leading the PW Builder open source project. I've been working in the open source before on another project named Babylon.js, which is a WebGL framework. And I love coding since I'm a very young guy. PW Builder is an open source project to help web developers to either start from scratch to build a PWA. So a PWA is a progressive web app. It's like the most interesting web app today to try to be super close to what the native application is in a way. And the idea of PW Builder is to help you to start from as a scratch. So we have like a template, starter project template to start with that you can find on pwbuilder.com, and then you will be redirected to GitHub. And also you can start with an existing web app. So the main goal of PW Builder is to guide you through the various steps to reach this PW stage. And you will first enter the URL of your web app. We will start to analyze it, and we will tell you you're probably missing that to make it a good PWA. So it could be a service worker. So a service worker is something to manage offline. Could be the manifest. The manifest is something to describe completely what your web app is doing. When you submit to App Store, you need to provide, screenshots, icons, description. This is the same idea, but for a web app. And finally, we can help you to go up to the application store. So you can ask yourself, why should I publish to the application store if I've got a web app? Well, for the visibility for your user, a lot of people are used, when they are on their phone or even on PC today to search for an app on App Store. So you can publish a PWA to App Store, and PW Builder is going to help you by building the package. For instance, we can support the Play Store, the Android Play Store. We can generate the APK and sign it for you and generate everything that could be boring to do on your machine for you. We can do the same for the Samsung Galaxy Store and for the Microsoft Store, obviously. So go check there. We have various other great components, like a component to help you building better PWA, such as implementing authentication, implementing inking, to have also some better experience, like to ask to the user to install your PWA on his machine. So we have specific web component for that. So feel free to check what we are working on. Well, as any open source project, we are welcoming really any kind of contribution you may find in open source projects. So the first one, obviously, is please provide feedback. And we already have a lot of people providing feedback by either creating bugs, because we have still many bugs. So we've been working recently a lot of accessibility bugs. So we would love people to either create bugs if we are missing accessibility feature, or to help us, solving it by doing a PR. So the first one will be bug. The second one is documentation. So we are trying to do, as developers, to code the project and to write documentation, but sometimes we are not spending enough time to write documentation. So we're going to work on this specific task during this sprint. But if you can write tutorials or share your knowledge around PW Builder, if you've been using it, it will be super helpful. So we have people from the community doing that on their own blog. And finally, of course, if you can write some specific feature or help us to build some of it, would be awesome. So we have some contribution on some of our web component I was talking about just before. But if you have a great idea and you want to help us helping developer making better PWAs, please come and share your code with us. The skill set could be very wide. Like it could come from just going on the product and checking what could be wrong in the user flow. It could be helping us writing documentation. So doesn't need to be a very code guru to write documentation. And finally, obviously, is to have coding skills, and more specifically in the web area. So we have two parts in PW Builder. We have a backend part, which is using Node.js, Azure Functions. So if you get this kind of knowledge, you can contribute to PW Builder to work on this backend stuff. But most of the time, we need web client developers. So we are using Vue.js, but we are using a lot of web components. So if you know a lit element, for instance, they're not very complex to learn. You can come, or any kind of knowledge you have around web client development, like CSS or whatever, please come see us. We will welcome you. Well, to get started, we have we try to put everything on pwbuilder.com. So this is the main site where you will have the normal experience for if you like to improve your PWA, but also you will have a link to our GitHub, of course. And then GitHub is the main GitHub is we have various sub projects, but the main one is GitHub. pw-builder/pwbuilder. So it's a long URL, but you will have it to play with it. And then you can either submit code or create bugs. So this is the main area where we are tracking bugs. Even if you have a specific bugs about a specific component, please use the right repo. But otherwise, we will track everything there. So we need to improve the documentation, to be honest. So while preparing this interview, I was thinking, whoa, I'm not good enough on the documentation to let people, onboard the project. But if you got any question, you can also join us on Twitter. So you can find my Twitter. It's DAVROUS. Or we have a specific PW Builder Twitter account. So feel free to reach us using any channel, and we will try to help you onboarding you if you like to contribute to the project.